0.52%. Now, family members, now what we're going to do is give you additional positions that will get you P.A.I.D. no matter what type of volatility is in the markets. Okay, so please take copious notes. There will be no excuses for you not to get paid. You've got to make Wall Street pay you right here on Main Street, because you see the oppressor, they are not playing. And they plan on cutting people off at the knees, okay? Quick, fast, in a hurry. Those cuts are not slated to start in the great by and by. They're starting this year and rolling into 2019. So now, let's you and me, we the ASK THE WIZ Wealth Institute family and listeners alike. Let's go to work. For we don't lay down, we get down. Now, are you ready for the market roller coaster to continue to persist throughout 2018? Well, if you're not, it's going to happen anyway, okay? Stocks are looking very volatile right now, okay? With the Dow Jones Industrial Average experiencing its worst ever single-day loss last week. And on this very same day, the VIX Volatility Index spiked at a record 116%, causing the mysterious trader and investor to make over $200 million. Wells Fargo, okay, put out a statement through their investment arm saying that you've got to get used to this. Listen to this. Maybe not a 400-point day drop, but certainly half percentage days, 100 to 200-point days, up and down. What? Why didn't that press release or that statement by their investment arm say you got to get paid from this? They say you got to get used to it, meaning you got to tolerate it. No, we don't tolerate, we dominate. All right? Now, in such fragile markets, beloved, it pays to keep your portfolio full of rock-solid positions with consistent growth and a favorable outlook. All of the 7 positions, all of them that I'm about to give you, they are up on a 1-month basis, which means they were up when the markets were down. Some of them were up by over 10%. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at these positions. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and dive in and take a closer look at these 7 positions that I've analyzed for you, my beloved ASK THE WIZ Wealth Institute family and listeners alike. Positions that will get you P.A.I.D. irrespective of drama in the market. First position, one of our ASK THE WIZ Wealth Institute defense positions that keeps paying us over and over and over again. And with His Royal Highness going ahead and proposing a massive increase in defense spending, this company has continued to get us P.A.I.D. I'm talking about Boeing, symbol BA, one of the world's largest aerospace companies. This company is going from strength to strength to strength right now. Over the last year, share prices have exploded from $166 to $351 per share, with 12% growth in the last month alone. Now, Boeing has just made several exciting announcements. First, BA revealed a $900 million contract with regards to the Singapore Air Show. Then, it hit the news with a potential notification that Boeing will indeed continue to pursue their interest in a company called Embraer. Now, this particular strategy that Boeing is implementing is key to potential synergies on complementary products by a peer it knows well from prior initiatives. Okay? What are these key synergies as Boeing continues to expand even more? Number one, Boeing's has greater sales clout that it can then tie into a more expensive service network. And Boeing's greater supply chain and its leverage that comes along with it will allow Boeing's stronger brand to help sales of both E2 and ERJ's biz jets, talking about business jets. And don't forget, Boeing also has a killer stock dividend, okay, that is growing. We're talking about a 2% dividend yield that is growing as Boeing pays out an impressive annualized dividend of $6.84 per share. Boeing continues to enhance shareholder returns with ongoing dividend increases and share repurchases. It is believed that further upside in the shares exists from current levels. Family members, over the last 3 months, Boeing has received 13 buy ratings, with 4 analysts choosing to stay on the sidelines. Now, with a $390 average price target, analysts are looking for upside of over 12% from the current share price. Boeing symbol BA to get your P.A.I.D. no matter pertaining to the market volatility. Next position, MasterCard, symbol MA. Now, global payments giant MasterCard has seen shares rise from $106 per share to $169 per share over the course of the last year. And over the last month, shares are up 6%. And this pattern of consistent growth goes back over the last 5 years. Now, MasterCard just reported very strong Q4 results, with quarterly profits topping estimates. The company benefited from the fastest U.S. consumer spending growth in 3 years, boosted by a busy shopping holiday season. Now, because of expected lower tax rates and strong purchasing volumes to keep the stock trading above its historical average earnings multiple, MasterCard, symbol MA, commands your attention. Next position I want to give you, as far as rock solid positions to get your P.A.I.D. irrespective of the market's volatility, is Interxion, spelled INTERXION, Interxion, symbol INXN. Now, this company is a key European provider of cloud and co-location services. Currently, INXN supports about 1,600 customers in over 40 data centers. But this company is very aggressively expanding. Okay? Now, INXN has just announced the largest capacity expansion in its history. This is evidence of intensifying demand across Europe, as CapEx spending is a major catalyst of demand for cloud companies. Now, INXN will add 17,000 square meters of capacity a year in 2018 and 2019. You see, INXN, beloved, is a critical piece of the overall cloud ecosystem in Europe. And Europe is in the early stages of cloud adoption. Now, analysts see INXN price target with a 14% upside to $68. And from a street perspective, INXN boasts 5 consecutive buy ratings in the last 3 months. No holds or sell ratings at this particular time. Shares stayed firm over the month, while the $67.60 average analyst price target indicates a 12.5% upside from the current share price. INXN. Next rock solid company I want to give you is Amazon, symbol AMZN. Shares in disruptive e-commerce stock Amazon are trading up by 13.6% over the last month. Given the volatility of the market during this time, that's very, very impressive. But it's also not surprising. You see, a relentless stream of positive announcements have ensured that Amazon, symbol AMZN, stays in the spotlight for all the right reasons. Just a few days ago, Amazon reported a standout fourth quarter earnings beat, and today it has revealed plans for free 2-hour whole food grocery delivery for Prime users. Now, Amazon is indeed disrupting most every industry it touches, and these strong results bear that out. It should be expected that the company will continue to invest heavily across logistics, fulfillment, digital content, devices, and in India, as well as opening up some more physical stores. And those investments should continue to produce high returns. Now, with a $1,709 price target, that's 21% upside. Analysts are expecting shares of Amazon to continue to rise. And investors are buying the stock for gains that they anticipate in the retail, or shall we say the e-commerce arena. Now, this company will continue to spawn overall growth and margin expansions over time. Amazon, symbol AMZN. The next company I want to give you as a rock solid company is Edwards Lifesciences. Edwards Lifesciences, symbol EW. Now, EW is a firm market leader in the heart valve market. In fact, EW created the first commercially available heart valve way back in the 1960s, and it still is transforming heart technologies more than 50 years later. Now, right now, shares are up by an impressive 9.8% over the last month. Now, the word on the street is clear. This is a stock that you want to have in your portfolio. EW has 100% support from the street right now. Indeed, in the last 3 months, it has received 11 back-to-back buy ratings. With an average analyst price target of $150, analysts see the stock soaring 15.6% from the current share price. Now, bear in mind, shares are already up from $105 to $130 over the last 3 months. Now, this particular position is a darling of analysts for 3 key reasons. Number 1, strong business fundamentals. Talking about this EV, okay? Number 2, it's accelerating domestic transcatheter valve replacement business. And number 3, the company's savvy approach to the underpenetrated structural heart markets. Family members, Edward Lifesciences, symbol EW. Next, I want to give to you Mondelez, symbol MDLZ. MDLZ. Now, Mondelez is one of the world's largest snack manufacturers. It owns all the best billion-dollar brands from Ritz and Oreo to Toblerone and Cadbury. And as an investment opportunity, Mondelez is also looking pretty sweet right now as well. Shares rose marginally over the month, but it is the future that looks most exciting, with the stock looking seriously undervalued compared to its peers. Now, analysts forecast that 2018 will be a year of steady top-line improvement and double-digit total returns, with additional stock upside potential through merger and acquisition activity. Now, this company is also really going after and improving the U.S. cookie share market, okay? Going after the cookie market here in the United States. Now, overall, the company has scored 5 buy ratings in the last 3 months. And this company is one that is considered to be rock solid. Mondelez, family members, symbol MDLZ, to protect you against market volatility. This next position, this position has paid us prolifically here in the ASK THE WIZ Wealth Institute. It's one of our defense positions, but it's also a leader in cybersecurity as well. The position I present to you is Raytheon, so RTN. Shares in the major U.S. defense contractor has shot up by over 37% in the last year alone and 6% in the last month, while the Dow was down over 1,000 points. And another boost came recently in the form of an unexpected $2.3 billion Patriot missile order. Now, this new Army order, talking about U.S. Army order, extends the program's visibility and suggests that revenues will be on a solid ramp up over the next several years. And in fact, if you include expected orders, the Patriot order is now up for its best year since 2008, record $3.8 billion order. Plus, RTN certainly has the thumbs up from Wall Street. 7 analysts have published buy ratings on RTN in the last 3 months, with an average price target of $190. Even with prices moving higher, the price target is still 9.4% above the current share price. Raytheon, symbol RTN. Family members, I've just submitted to you 7 low-hanging fruit positions that will get you P.A.I.D. irrespective of what the market is doing, such that bull bear, you won't have to care. Do your drill downs on each one of these positions. Leave no step untaken and get P.A.I.D.